Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So here's what not to do when you are putting in a new landscape or re-landscaping in Manhattan Beach, California. This is called a gate valve. It's like the main shutoff. Here's the water comes from the street, comes up here, and it feeds water to everything in the house. Well, we're taking off the old valves, and what we noticed, or we're going to put our new ones on, is in the concrete that the original landscaper put this really thin pipe called Class 200. It's very brittle, breaks very easily, and guess what? They put it inside the concrete. Check that out. Now, the kind that you want to put, look at how thick that is. That's Schedule 40. That thing's, a shovel won't break that. So underneath all this concrete, going to the backyard and the front yard, is a Class 200 pipe. It's a big no-no. Don't use it. A lot of problems for homeowners in the future. Okay, use the Schedule 40. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. Please consider your clients in the future. Take care.